Welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe. In today's video, we'll deep dive into table properties in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. If you're a developer, consultant, or just starting out with D365, understanding these properties is essential for building efficient and robust solutions. In Dynamics 365 F&O, tables are the backbone of data storage. Table properties define how a table behaves within the system, from how data is stored and accessed, to how security, performance, and relationships are managed. Let's now go through the most important table properties you'll frequently encounter. Name and label. The table's name is its unique system identifier, used in code. The label is the user-friendly name that appears in the user interface. Title Field 1 and Title Field 2. These are used for generating automatic titles in forms or lookups. Avoid using fields of type integer or real here, as they don't display well in titles. Cache lookup. This controls how table data is cached to enhance performance. Not in TTS. Caches data outside a transaction. Found. Caches only records that are found. Entire table. Caches the whole table. Use this carefully with large datasets. None. Disables caching completely. Clustered index. This defines how records are physically stored on disk. By default, it's based on the primary key. Audit fields. Properties like created by, modified by, and datetime fields track who changed what and when. These are crucial for audit and compliance purposes. Table indexes. Used to improve query performance. Every table should have a primary index to uniquely identify records, and can optionally have secondary indexes for optimized queries. Create Rec ID index. This should be set to yes if you want fast access to records using the Rec ID system field. Save data per company. When enabled, data is stored separately for each legal entity. If set to no, the data is shared globally across companies. Table type. Regular. Persistent table stored in the database. InMemory. Temporary, stored only in memory during transactions. TempDB. Temporary but stored in the database. Data is deleted after the session ends. Configuration key. Controls the visibility of the table based on licensing or system configuration. Inheritance properties. Support inheritance. Lets the table act as a parent. Extends. Indicates that the table inherits from another table. Developer documentation. Allows developers to leave notes, purpose, or usage tips about the table. FormRef. Automatically links the table to a form for lookups or other user interactions. Table group. This defines the functional category of the table, like main, parameter, worksheet header, worksheet line, or group. AOS authorization. Enforces security by controlling access based on application object server permissions and user roles. Create Rec ID index. This should be set to yes if you want fast access to records using the Rec ID system field. Configuration key. Controls the visibility of the table based on licensing or system configuration. Let's talk about surrogate keys. These are system-generated unique identifiers. In D365 F&O, the Rec ID field is the most common surrogate key, a 64-bit integer that uniquely identifies each record. If your table doesn't have a natural key, use a surrogate key like Rec ID. And yes, you can enable Create Rec ID Index for better performance. Understanding table properties is not just a technical detail, it's a critical part of building secure, scalable, and high-performance solutions in Dynamics 365. If you found this explanation useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Dynamics 365 Universe. See you in the next video.